Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this dramatic, shimmery, but not too dramatic eye look using the Nouveau palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're just going to jump right into it. So the first shade I'm going in with is Fleer. This is like a matte salmon pink shade, and I'm using a Sigma E35. I love this blending brush. It's super dense, soft, and blendable. I've had my Sigma brushes for a very long time, washed them several times, and they are just absolutely amazing. A little on the pricey side, but so worth it. Just going to take my time blending out this shade, making sure everything is nice and smooth and well blended. As you know, if you watch my videos, I am an over blender. I will take my time blending. I love blending, and I want everything to be super smooth. Next, I'm going to go with the shade Metro. This is a darker salmon matte pink shade, and I'm using a Sigma E25. I love this brush. It's like a flat blender, and I'm just going to pat this matte shade all over my eyelid, blending it up into the crease as well. I'm then going to dust away any fallout. As you know, Anastasia Beverly Hills formula is so buttery and so fine and easy to blend that the shades are a little powdery. There's a little bit of fallout, and I'm taking my brush, turning it sideways. I love the flat blender brushes because you can do this with that and just turn it sideways and get that nice, well-blended crease. On that same brush, the E25 by Sigma, I'm going to take the tip of that brush in Metro and blend it into my bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to take some Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray and an L'Oreal A19 and go with the shade Lilac. Lilac is one of my favorite shades, like top favorite eyeshadow shades. It's this beautiful, gorgeous gold pink shimmery shade. It has a stunning flecks of glitter. It's like a multicolored, I don't even know, but it's so wearable. It's not over the top, not too much glitter or sparkle. It's just like stunning. It's totally something you could wear without being over the top, and I love this eyeshadow shade. So I'm going to blend this all over my eyelid. Getting it wet just helps all the glitter and shimmer be more vibrant, and I'm just going to blend this all over my eyelid. I'm then going to take a Morphe JH38 and some more of the Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray, and I'm going to go with the shade Isle. This is like a beautiful peach pink shimmer shade, and I'm going to pack this on the center of my eyelid because I want that like reflection look. I want the lightest, shimmerous part in the center of my eyelid, almost making like a halo look. I just love all these shades. The pink shimmer with the peach shimmer is just absolutely stunning. And then I'm going to brush a little bit of Isle onto my bottom lash line so the top lid and the bottom lid are well balanced. I'm going to go with the shade Paloma on a Morphe JH38. This is a really pretty vanilla matte shade, and I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner because I don't want to draw too much attention to my inner corner, but I want it to be bright. And I'm just going to take my finger and pack on a little bit of Isla in the inner and outer corners, and then go back in with Paloma on a JH38 and just blend this up into my brow bone to give it a little bit of a highlight. I'm going to take a felt tip brown eyeliner. This is one by ColourPop, and I'm sorry I'm out of frame here, but I am creating a skinny brown wing on my outer V, bringing it halfway into my eyelid. And then I am going to define my inner corner. I don't recommend using this eyeliner for that because it wasn't quite as waterproof as I thought it was, but I am just going to define the outer wing and then my inner corner. Next, I'm going to apply some brown eyeliner to my bottom waterline. This one's by Dose of Colors. I'm pretty sure it's dried out. I need a new one, But after that, I am going to apply some mascara and Ardell Dummy Wispy Lashes, and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.